Hello everyone, this is Leo from RailMac. In this video, I will introduce RailMac's HCD-2500 New Energy Locomotive. RailMac is a professional one-stop railway equipment solution provider, offering HCD-5000 to HCD-2500 New Energy locomotives, HCD-3000 to 5000 electric pullers, and HCD railcars. We also provide oil to electricity services, locomotive operation and maintenance, leasing, and major and medium-sized repair services to ensure equipment performance and reliability. RailMac is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. HCD-2500 New Energy Locomotive is a pure electric traction locomotive, mainly used for shunting and short-distance freight operations in coal, metallurgy, petrochemicals, ports, railway logistics parks, and other working conditions. The HCD-2500 New Energy Locomotive employs orthogonal variable frequency drive technology, providing exceptional motor control performance. The dimensions of the locomotive body are 14,000 mm by 3,185 mm by 4,255 mm. Maximum traction force is 250 kN, and maximum speed is 35 km per hour. The range is 120 km. It is capable of handling both medium and short-distance transportation tasks while enabling rapid recharging. The HCD-2500 New Energy Locomotive features a reliable power system with robust traction capability, making it suitable for harsh operating conditions. It delivers smooth operation, enhancing both operational safety and comfort. Its range is sufficient to cope with most shunting operations in areas, reducing the frequency of charging and thus improving work efficiency, while its zero emission and low noise features help reduce operating costs and environmental pollution. Based on our rich experience and resources, RailMac provides customized solutions for all of our global railway business partners. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium locomotive offerings. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact RailMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.rail-mac.com.